How to get free stuff on Temu without inviting friends. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get free stuff on Temu without inviting your friends. So for that, just open your Temu application in your smartphone, and after that just click on the profile icon from the bottom, and here just click on the settings from the top right. Now just click on country and region, and make sure that your region is selected to US. Mine is already on US, as you can see right here. And after that just come back on the settings again and in your profile, and from here just go to the earn credit and free gifts and just click on it. Now here you can see there are so many free gifts and freebies rewards are available. So just click on the 5 free Christmas gifts from the top and just click on get now. And now just select any of the 5 gifts as per your choice. As you can see that I have already selected my 5 gifts in this particular list, and just click on confirm. And here on the next page you have to enter your address, and once you fill in all the details regarding your address, on the next page you will see the option to invite your friends, so that you will get the reward points or the gifts for free after inviting your friends. So all you can do is skip the process to invite your friends. All you can do is just go ahead and invite your family members who are not using Temu. So in that case you can avoid inviting your friends. So this is how you can get free gifts or free stuff on Temu without inviting friends. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.